Neolith can be fabricated by any fabrication shop in America and around the world. It takes a fabrication shop to understand the particular characteristics and attributions of an ultra-compact surface such as Neolith. Surfacing trends worldwide are requesting for innovative materials that have superior performances, natural looks, and looks that are different for what we're used to on traditional natural stone and engineered surfacing. Successful fabrication shops are getting to know Neolith, are adapting processes, and within those processes there are technicians that are embracing this new technology. It takes time, patience, passion in your work, caring for detail, being a little bit of a perfectionist, but having your in-house technician, a person dedicated to know all the characteristics and deep insights of ultra-compact surface is going to get your fabrication shop ahead.
One of the great things about having a certified Neolith technician on hand is being able to provide the customer with the confidence and assurance that if any repairs were needed for chips or scratches, we have a specialized technician to fix it. Ronnie started with the company in 2011. He started doing fabrication and is now our lead repair tech, working on all finishes of Neolith around Southern California.
Repairing the chip always starts with cleaning it with acetone. You always got to make sure the chip is cleaned up just so the adhesive could grab on a lot better. For a polished white shade on the Neolith, I always prefer to go with a super gel. It's been working great for me. I use a 10 color pigment to make the color match. Brand doesn't really matter as long as it's usable for the epoxy. There's times I need to make over 2 trips to get a better repair. I always prefer quality. I always make sure I have the exact color, so that's what adds on the extra trip. After the epoxy has dried, minimum 24 hours, I go back and remove the epoxy using the razor blade. I remove the epoxy up to about 1 millimeter under the surface. This gives me enough space to come back in with the fillet chip and fill in with the acrylic. It mimics the glass veneer on top of the Neolith, so it gives you that finished look.